Just leave it blank, Walter. Don't depend on your best friend, especially during exams. You too, Rafi.
It's my fault, ma'am.
Hindi ho siya.
Hindi ako talaga may kasalanan.
Class, you got 15 minutes left. Walter, I'd like to see you after the class.
Painters of today are greatly concerned with communication. Now, how much should a painting communicate to the viewers, if at all? Now, some painters feel that their paintings need not communicate in the old sense. If a painting is excellent in all its technical aspects, and the viewers understand these aspects, then there's some form of communication. To this add mood, form, a fragment of thought. Now, there's even more communication. Now, these communications, Miss Tagle.
Sir?
I hope you're not missing what we're discussing here.
Sir? Sir, communication, sir. Mr. Pineda, sir, I'm communicating with my father, sir.
Well then, I hope there won't be any miscommunication between us when I finalize your grades.
Ano sinabi sa'yo ni Miss Alfonso?
Tagilid ang scholarship ko, pare. Kailangan daw gumawa ako ng makeup work. Kung hindi kaya kumuha ng remedial subjects.
Hindi ko alam to ah.
I've been trying to take it easy for the past weeks. Maybe too much concentration on rock music.
Paano di hindi ka sasama mag-soccer sa amin mamaya? Gawin mo muna assignments mo.
Ang star player hindi magkasakir. No way, man. Kokopya yung ginawa ni Gani.
Eh di ganun din, kinopya mo rin.
Sabi ko na sa'yo, talagang pinaglihis sa ng loob yung Mr. Pineda na yan eh. Lagi pang maasim ang mukha. Siguro pinaglihi rin sa suka. Kung sa bagay, talaga daw ganyan ang mga tumatandang binata.
Uy, pero type ata siya ni Miss Alfonso.
Ha? Hindi nakakapagtaka ba? Kasi, di ba, unlike Paul's attract, sobra sa bait si Miss Alfonso. Si Mr. Pineda naman, walang kasing bagsik. Pero kung ako kay Miss Alfonso, magpapakatandang dalaga na lang
Siguro
ako.
rin.
I said he's not going.
Go on, ask him.
You're not going with him, are you, Mario? Tell that crook you're not going with him anywhere. Tell him to leave us and never come back. Tell him to go. Please, Mario, please.
Gloria,
Mario, I know he has talked to you and tried to poison your mind again, but don't go with him. This is still the better way of life. If things have not been turning out well, then you must know that God is not letting us down. He's only trying us.
Gloria,
You're going. I can see that you want to go with him. Oh, you leave me here again wondering whether you'll be shot in the head or sent to jail.
Don't worry about him, Gloria. He's safe with me. He won't come anywhere near jail. I've got connections.
You hideous beast! You get out! Get out! Get!
That was good, thanks. Take a 10-minute break.
Okay.
Okay, on stage, group 2, please. All right, actors, take your places, please. Photography class. We're right on taking pictures, but please, be quiet. Don't disturb the rehearsal. You there in the back of the auditorium. If you're moving those chairs around, please. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
And supposing the pistol was not stolen, the owner is...
Para saan ang mga kinukuha ninyong pictures?
Photography class namin, mga human interest shots.
Aba, hindi ko alam. Interesting palang mga ginagawa namin dito, no? Uy, kunan mo naman ako ng solo shot.
Sure.
Uy, hindi, biro lang. Ako naman to. Huwag mo serious. Talaga naman, ba't mo serious?
Or did she tear the pistol out of his
Ay,
hand,
ba?
shoot him, and push it back into his pocket? That would be quite like her, for she is an able-bodied young person, this same Mademoiselle Diana.
Ngayon lang ako nakukunan eh.
No, but you will have to answer the question. Why did you give Eilert Lifberg the pistol? And what conclusions will
ano
people
na naman
draw
kinukuha
from the
niya?
fact that you did give
Ito naman, KJ, oh. Minsan lang ako kumakuha ng model eh. Ay, yan nga pala. This is my friend
Well,
Jessica.
fortunately,
Jessica
there is no
Taylor.
danger,
She's into
as long
arts.
as I say nothing.
Hello.
I'm Sarah Tagle. I'm into theater.
So I'm in your...
Hi. I didn't get your name nga pala.
and Sarmiento. Rafi. Excuse me, I have to join my class.
Believe me,
See you.
I shall not
Bye.
forget.